Rail fans, Cajon Pass. Are you ready, buddy? He's taking his time. Might be something coming behind me too, I'm not sure. Might get a crisscross here, we'll see. Warm on it. I saw these engines steamed up the other day. Brand new Cat X. Yeah, there was coming one. Behind me. Crisscross. Oh, we got a pumpkin here. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Very nice. I think that's a pumpkin, I'm not sure. We'll find out. Reams of steel in there. Trying to stay out of the sun. The sun is straight ahead of me. Alright, that other one's done. That was a fast little train. Shortest train I've seen in a while. Oh, it's still going. It just had some utility cars there. Alright, now we got some nice auto racks. And some box cars. Crisscross of the Cajon Pass. Milepost 65. Now we got some tankers out there. Open gondolas in here. Some recycled chrome. Whole bunch of it. Going somewhere to be melted down probably. It's a nice car. Open gondolas, a whole bunch of scrap metal. Big old hoppers. Big boys. Beautiful box cars. Beautiful train. Nice mixed freighter. A lot of old box cars. CEMX. Those are Mexico. Yes. Center beam lumber car. Bulkheads. Couple cool tankers there. Buddies are watching my back. Some baby tankers. Arthur Daniel Midland. It's corn syrup. Oh, that's corn syrup right there. High fructose corn syrup. Grain hoppers. Nice Burlington Northern hoppers. The old days. Bunch of them. Yeah, this train's going to Mexico. Alright, rail fans, Cajon Pass. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe to my Instagram page and YouTube channel. Sorry about the rim, but this is the Cajon Pass, and I want you to get the whole experience. Love you guys. Love to hear your comments. Take care and have a great weekend. Alright, buddy, let's go find a new spot. Okay, buddy? Alright, love you guys. Take care.